this time.
130. چرا وسط داری؟
این نورا واسه چی داره؟ تقریبا چمنه نه؟
آره داره چمن روش میکنه.
یهودی داره چمن.
داستانی
You can also take a seat here in front of me, don't be shy. If you go too much upstairs, I can shout that loud, so you can also take a seat here. Don't go too far away.
علی کریمی اینجا بازی کرده.
Good. Please take a seat.
کبوتره؟
Good. Come on, guys, you too. Take a seat, please. Join us. Good. Well, then before we start, now that I can see everyone a little bit better, first of all, where are you guys from? Let's start here. Okay? Okay, you're together. You okay? Okay. Okay, good.
France.
Okay, you're together?
Iran.
Iran, okay? Okay.
South Korea.
Okay, good. There? Japan, you're together? Yes? Okay. Egypt, up there? Sorry? UK, good. You're all together? Good. Well, from all around the world. And do we have any Bayern fans in here? Yeah, a few ones. Good. Good, a few Bayern fans. That's always good. What other teams do you support? Arsenal, okay.
Juventus.
City, Juventus.
Lost.
Sorry, up there? Manchester, okay. Yeah, you too? Good. Well, so everyone can stay inside today. No. Well, we're now at the inside of the Allianz Arena, and the Allianz Arena was opened in 2005, so 17, almost 18 years ago. And at the beginning, this was a completely neutral stadium. That means all the seats, everything here at the inside was completely gray, because we needed the stadium not just for the World Cup 2006, playing the second league when the arena opened, and Bayern in the first league, and both teams said, okay, we will build a stadium together, and they said, we will leave it neutral, because the fans, they always bring the colors. And now, everyone, please imagine your favorite team is playing right now. I will count to 3 and you will shout goal, okay? A short goal, but very loud, okay? So, goal. And you will hear how amazing the acoustic is, okay? So I will count to 3, you shout as loud as possible. We want to be the best group here today. The other ones will do it later, but we want to be the best ones here, so as loud as possible. Are you ready? Yeah. Yeah, good. So our favorite team is playing right now, and 1, 2, 3, go! Can you hear that echo? So you can imagine this with 75,000 people in here. It's loud, right? Good. Then I would say if you want to take pictures, use 2 minutes now to take your pictures, and later we will continue there. I will tell you about the pictures. Just pay €5.
اینجا برای افراد معلوله 5 یورو میدن.
And Bayern donates the whole money to charity from those seats.
این قسمت برای افراد معلوله 5 یورو.
Those are the desks for the live commentators, reporters in general, the press, they all sit also here during the games. Then we can go down. These lamps from side. besides of that, if it's snowing or if it's too cold, it's also not a problem because we have a heating system on it. But it's the international color of communication. On game days, we have a lot of reporters here that come from other countries, don't know the arena. It's more capacity here in this room for press than in the training center. You know, the training center of FC Bayern Munich is at the other side of Munich, it's in the south. 5 minutes before kick-off. Before the games, the players always meet in a hotel, and from there they come here as a team, right? They always come with the bus. You will see it in a minute here in the TV. They always arrive with the bus here in front of this door, go out from the bus here, and then walk to their dressing room. After the games, all the reporters that want an interview with the players, they are standing here in the middle. The players, they come out through the sides, and here the reporters can make them questions. If the players want, they can answer. If they don't want, they don't have to. Just the captain has to answer the questions, but we also have players like Thomas Müller, for example. He loves to talk with the reporters, so that's usually not a problem. After the games, the players don't go with the bus. They drive their own cars, and their cars are usually brought here by family or friends. They all park here at the outside, so the players just need to go out, take their cars, and then they can drive home. Audi is sponsor of FC Bayern Munich. That's why the players can choose a new car every season. So new model, new color, new everything. And they have to use the Audi for all official events with the team. That means going to the trainings, after the games. If a player by mistake takes his Ferrari to the training, he has to pay, right? But you can all understand how difficult it is to take the Audi, the Ferrari.
رختکن بود اینجا نداشت اینجا ماساژ بود ماساژ
the whole building here a little bit better. At the beginning we had the 2 teams here. Do you remember? That's why we have 4 dressing rooms. This 2 at this side of the tunnel and other 2 at the other side of the tunnel. have to sit, but it usually works just like you sit next to your friends, but if you talk to us with the name, you get right? It's the same thing here. With the hand, and here at the entrance you can see a little massage room. If the players need
چه خبر اینجا؟ باور من نمیشه.
ولی نه بازمان سرویس ها پله برو بالا بیا بالا چونش می‌خواد.
Good. Well, now we're in the players tunnel. You maybe saw this on TV. Here's where both teams see each other for the first time and then they go out to the field. Here in the tunnel we also have on this side the referees dressing room. It's the first door here, very close to the field because the referees sometimes need to run away, right? So it's a good door here. At the other side we have the medicine control. There we
اونجا پزشکیه این بر دستشویی میگه شاید لحظه آخری بخواد بره دستشویی دستشویی لازم
but now we want to feel like the players, right? Therefore I would say we will do two teams just like the players. So one team at this side of the tunnel please, the other team at this side, and we will stand in a line just like the players.
اگه آیدا بازیکن بود یه دونه دستشویی باید تو زمین براش می‌ذاشتن. آیدا میگه بازیکن بود یه دستشویی تو زمین براش می‌ذاشتن.
Good. And now we will all imagine, it's perfect, today is Wednesday, what do we usually play? So Tuesday and Wednesday, Champions League, right? So we will all imagine we're about to play a Champions League game. So warm up, it's important. We will go down, then we will go out. You can take a seat in the benches, that's okay. Please be very careful with your heads, you will notice why. It's not that high, so please be careful. And also, please, again, the field, okay? We stay in the artificial field, we don't touch the natural grass. Good, then warm up, it's important. I will get back in a second, as soon as I'm back, we can go down.
تو اینو میرم بالا میام پایین واقعا تو بازیکن‌ها هی میرم بالا میام پایین میرم بالا گرم بالا
Let's go down.
نمیشه سرتون این بالا بپرید
Just don't open the door because you have to go to this. Yes.
من نمیشه این صحنه رو رفتیم تو زمین عجب داستانی اینجا واقعا نمیشه
At the beginning, the arena cost 340 million. It's of course a lot of money, but if you compare it with other stadiums nowadays, it's nothing, right? Tottenham, they paid over $1 billion for.
پایینمون هم بریم آخرین عکسمون رو شاید بتونیم بگیریم
بالا بودیم وسط دیگه
اونجا اونور بودیم Shoot.